There are many services where you can go and convert your Bitcoin into cash, particularly ATMs, where you can receive money and you can deposit money.
This is a crypto ATM. It allows customers to buy cryptocurrency with cash and withdraw their cash by selling their cryptocurrency to the ATM.
Hi Ryan, I've got some Bitcoin on my phone and I wanted to be able to withdraw some pounds. Can I do that with your machine?
Yes, you can. Sure. I'll show you how to do it.
All right. So I've got my wallet and I want to sell some Bitcoin SV. All right. And let me continue.
Select the amount by pressing the plus button.
Then it says £10 and it says I need to pay 0.13 Bitcoin. So now I will withdraw it. Okay, so I need to scan that QR code.
Yes.
All right, so here we go with my Centbee wallet. I'm going to scan the QR. There it is. And it's put in the exact amount I need to pay.
That's correct.
All right, so now as soon as I have sent this, it's going to give me my money, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, so there we go. I'm sending. It says payment sent. And now, there we go. £10.
There you go.
Isn't that wonderful? And it happened so quickly.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.